This fantastic book d'animals. This is my fantastic animal. I'm Lion Pen. I live in the jungle, in the sea. I've got whiskers. I've got mouth. I'm 10 years old. I'm black, yellow, orange. I eat fish and animals.
It's mouse sheep. I'm a mouse sheep.
I'm brown, I'm yellow, black, pink.
I've got whiskers and 4 legs and long tail.
I'm black, dragon, chick.
I live in the farm.
Oh. Yeah.
I'm elephant. I'm brown and red. I've got 4 legs, 2 eyes, and 2 ears. I live in the jungle. I eat bananas and grass. I'm a mondol. I'm blue and brown. I've got long body, big eyes and ears. I live in the sea and the jungle. I eat fish and bananas.
Very good. Please breathe again. Come on.
I'm a giraffe. I'm yellow, brown, and black. I've got long, brown spots, 2 legs, and 2 eyes. I eat fish. I live in the grass.
Okay, very good.
I'm lion hams. I've got whiskers, a tail, 4 legs, 2 eyes, 1 mouth, and 2 ears. I live in the grasslands and houses. I'm brown, yellow, and pink. I eat grass and milk and cheese. Lion dog. I'm the lion dog. I'm blue and orange. I eat fish, zebras, and giraffes. I've got whiskers and beef mouth, feet, and fish body. I live in sea. Chipmunk. I'm a chipmunk. I'm yellow and brown. I've got big body, small ears, and 4 legs. I live in mountains.
Mountains, okay?
Chipmunk. I'm a chipmunk. I'm yellow and brown. I eat fruit and grass. I've got big body, small ears, and 4 legs. I live in mountains. Animal and grass. I live in the jungle.
Okay, are you ready?
Rabbit Rocco. I'm a rabbit Rocco. I'm green. I've got whiskers and a long ears. I've got 3 legs. I live in the jungle.